When it comes to starting a YouTube channel, many people think you have to have a big personality and be on camera for every second. But this is simply not true. In fact, there are quite a few successful YouTube channels out there that are run by introverts. I'll show you some of the easiest ones you can do without being on camera at all. Starting off at number 1, we have subreddit channels. I haven't seen a lot of these channels yet, but the ones I have seen are doing really well. These subreddit channels basically take the top posts on Reddit for a certain category and put them together in a compilation. A lot of times, YouTubers who do this will narrate the post or comment on them. One example of this is the MK channel. Then you have another Reddit related channel called SirReddit that uses a computer voice for narration. The videos usually consist of a post on Ask Reddit and the top responses. It seems like a strange YouTube channel idea, but they get over 1 million views on many of the videos. Next up, we have gaming clip channels. You don't have to be a live streamer like Ninja to make good money playing video games on YouTube. Just look at a popular channel like Red Arcade. Red Arcade basically creates videos of crazy wins, fails, and highlights from popular games like Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, and Warzone. Some of these YouTubers with these kind of channels get clips from Twitch, or they use their own clips, or they have a submission page like this one to get content they need. Or you could just create a channel that has tutorials or your own highlights. Xbox One, PS4, and other game platforms usually have a way for you to record clips after you do something cool within about 5 to 10 minutes of it happening. And then simply just edit those videos, do some keyword research, and post them on YouTube to see if you can make some money. Next up at number 3 is motivational channels. Motivational channels have been taken off in many forms in the last few years. For instance, if you look at a channel like Evan Carmichael, which posts videos about the top success tips from different famous people, some of those videos get millions of views, and a lot of times Evan himself isn't even in the video. There's also a channel like Motivational Madness. It puts together videos that use audio from famous psychologists, actors, business owners, etc. in order to motivate you to do something. Their videos are made up entirely of other people's audio and stock footage, short clips of the celebrity, and subtitles. They're actually pretty simple videos to make. The only issue with making one of these channels is copyright issues. In many cases, these channels are taking a chance by using interviews, speeches, and clips that they don't necessarily own the rights to. Now, they are creating a new original piece of work from these, but in many cases it's risky without asking permission to use the audio or clips in these. Many channels seem to get away with this though. As long as you don't push your luck, you can probably create these kinds of videos yourself without making much of a problem. In the number 4 spot, we have product reviews or comparisons. If you want to make good money from YouTube without being on camera, doing product reviews might be the way to go. I've seen channels take off doing product unboxing or tour reviews where the only part of the YouTuber you see is their hands. Just look at Fun Toys Collector Disney Toys Review for an example. You can even do reviews of digital products and use screen recorders so people can watch as you show the different features of a piece of software you're showing. You can get a free screen recorder like Screencast-O-Matic, or you can use a premium one like I use is Camtasia. At number 5, tutorial channels. Another way to become a YouTuber without being on camera is by doing tutorial videos. If you don't mind showing your hands occasionally, you might can do a cooking channel like Sam the Cooking Guy. And now Sam is on camera sometimes, but most of the time you can just watch him cooking without seeing his face. Another example of a tutorial channel would be coding. You could record your screen using one of the tools I mentioned previously and show people how to code step by step throughout a video of a bunch of videos. This way, you have a series of content to post rather than just one video. For an example, CS Dojo has some stuff where the main guy is on screen, but most of his work is just a screen share tutorial. At number 6 is creating whiteboard animations. This is one of my favorite ideas to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. You can create amazing whiteboard animations with software like VideoScribe or Doodly, and get started after watching some tutorials online. These types of videos are ideal if you're creating explanation videos or informational videos. Whiteboard animations are also a great way to create marketing videos for your business and also educational content. Number 7 is creating craft channels. 5-Minute Crafts is a great example of dominating YouTube with faceless videos. It is the #1 how-to site on YouTube. Social Blade predicts they are making almost $9 million in advertising revenue alone, an absolute beast for such a simple concept. The key to their content is showing you how to do something without overcomplicating it with people's personalities. Less distraction and more about how you achieve something. There are a lot of big channels in this niche, so my advice would be to pick a subcategory, something more unique, and build from there. There are riches in these niches, trust me. Number 8 is software tutorials and demos. One of my passions is affiliate marketing, promoting something through your content and earning a commission when someone buys. Software, for an example, is a great way of making money on YouTube using affiliate marketing. Think about creating content and recording your screen using a basic editor such as Camtasia. You don't even have to be an expert. You can start with the basics and learn as you go. As long as you are a step ahead of someone, then you will find your audience. For me, I use ClickFunnels to create web pages, so then I create how-to videos on how to use it. If anyone clicks on my link and also thinks it would help them, then I can get a commission. It's such a great and legit way of helping people and earning income at the same time. I would encourage any content creator to go click the link down below in my description and watch that training. Number 9 is a well-being channel. This is one of the most popular YouTube channels ideas without showing your face in 2021. This category absolutely blows my mind. Not only can they be faceless, but they can be voiceless too. Think about relaxation, meditation, and emotional well-being. These videos are often just a few static photos or stock videos that you can download free from pixabay.com or some other free stock website. The audio could be relaxing music or it could be a voiceover, for example, repeating some affirmations, like meditation sounds, stuff like that. You get it. Or if you prefer a more basic approach to your videos, then here's a great example of well-being channel called Meditation Relax Music. And last but not least is beauty niche. My girlfriend works in the beauty industry and she can sit and be mesmerized by nail polish videos all day. It's like a therapy for her to watch each brushstroke. The best part of these videos is the simplicity. All you gotta do is set a camera or your phone up on a tripod, point it over your shoulder and record. Then some basic editing later. All you gotta do is speed it up, add some overlay music, and then hey, you got a YouTube video without showing your face. Now, yes, it does depend on what area of beauty you want to cover, but there are a lot of successful beauty channels out there, trust me. I hope you all enjoyed this video of me breaking down the top 10 niches on YouTube without showing your face. If you did, or if you found some value through this video, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more content like this, please consider pressing the subscribe button. I hope you all enjoyed, and goodbye.